Welcome back to Some Marvelous Things. So today on my channel I've got something really different. Apart from baking, as most of you know, I'm a bibliophile. Today I'm going to unbox these books I've ordered from BOOKCHOR.com, and I'm really eager to see what quality, what books they have sent. So you have no idea how eager I am, and I've been anticipating this. And I'm gonna open it with you guys. So let's start. Okay, so this is the parcel that came by DCTC, and this courier reached after 5 to 6 days, which was a really long time, and I was really willing to get this package. Okay, so guys, now I've unboxed this, and though there was technically not a box, which I'm disappointed about, I was expecting a box, but the packaging was alright. The book seemed unharmed, and oh my god, this is so cute. The package comes with two really cute mice bookmarks, which are actually really cute, adorable. And then there's this little sticky note, which if you can see, it's really cute. And let me just read it out for you guys. Hello Jap, welcome to the little bookstore that loves you. We promise to have your back whenever you need books. Happy reading. I mean, this is such an amazing gesture, because people like us, when we get notes like these, it's just such a special feeling, because books itself are happiness, and when somebody writes a note, that's bigger happiness. So moving on to the package. This book is by Bernard Knight, and see, the packaging is really cool. It's wrapped. Being a second-hand book, I feel this is really good. And the story is about, it's like a murder mystery, a thriller of some sort. So moving on to the next book. So the next book is by Kathy Reeks, 206 Phones. It is again a thriller, a murder mystery. And if you could look inside, the pages are really soft, and again, the quality is really good. So the third book in this package is What If by Martina Riley. So this book is about choices made wrong, or choices which could have been changed in the hindsight, and I'm really looking forward to read this book. The quality of this book is not so good, not as the ones before. It's a bit chipped on the side, and the pages are colored, but as the book is good, the pages are not missing. Like, this is really good. In this package is Ringfire by Beth Webb. So this is a fantasy novel, and it's again a mystery. You might have now guessed what type of novels I like to read. Basically, there are thrillers, mysteries, or fictions like these. So again, the book is really thick, and the pages are not torn, and it's perfectly fine as a second-hand book. I'd rate this book on its condition better than the last one. Okay, so the fifth book, oh my god, I can't even believe it, we're halfway off the package now. So the fifth book is by Jenny Colgan, Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend. Okay, till the title, the book looked really good, fancy and happy, and in the subtext it's written, but money can be her worst enemy. So this was the thing that really made me buy this book, and the quality is again fine. And let's see, I'll write a book review about this book because the title is so alluring. The next book, again a thriller and a fantasy fiction, a teenage book, is by F.E. Higgins, The Black Book of Secrets. I wonder what secrets are encased in this book. The pages are totally fine. Books smell so good, don't they? So moving on to the next book really quick. Okay, so the second last book in this pile is One Shot Kill by Robert Muchamore. So this book is about the time of Adolf Hitler, and it's based in 1943 and before that, so I'm really anticipating to read. What languages are used in the books which are, made before the 50s? Because the languages and the words they use are really fascinating. So I really suggest people should read books which are written before the 50s. Also, this is a thriller mystery as well. Okay, so the gift. It's actually, this book is an irony because the story is not a gift, it's actually a curse. So this is the review of this book. So it's something like there was a gift and it was a curse, and the person who was cursed used that as a gift to save other people. So like, yeah, you could say it's a gift, but irony. Okay, so this book, Caught in the Act, nice title, right? It's written by Gemma Fox. The quality of the book is really good. The book is thick and it's really small. It's compact if you want to take it on travel. Last but not the least is, I've saved it for the best, the book which I really wanted to read this because this is the second part to the series of the Hunger Games, and this book is, I got it for 136 rupees, which was a catch away price, and really the quality, looking at the quality of this book, it is really good. The pages are not torn, they are not chipped, the book is 39 and 49 rupees sale. These are the books which you can buy, like, so you can buy these books. And I think the quality is really nice. Oh my god, I really wanted to make a slow-mo montage with me flying and the books flying and all that shittiness, but we'll resume to the actual review, which is these books are really heavy, so I must put them down. Okay, so the experience with BOOKCHOR was really good and the book qualities are really nice, much better than I had expected, but I have to be honest with you guys, the delivery time is really slow, because when book lovers like me are aware that 10 books are coming and then they come really late, that really irritates you and it takes out the sweetness and the excitement of receiving the package. So one tip, one suggestion to BOOKCHOR would be that please make your parcels deliver faster. So apart from that, this experience was really good and kudos to BOOKCHOR. It's a really good initiative. You can download their application. I'll put a link in the description box, and thank you so much for joining and tuning in today. Bye bye and happy reading.